Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I have a special unboxing video or unbagging video for you, and I got some stuff in from Beebeecrafts. They approached me and asked me if I would use some of their products and do a couple of videos, an unboxing video and some project videos. And at first when I looked at their stuff, I was like, well, it's all very beautiful stuff, and they have enormous amounts of selections. It's just incredible, the amount of selections, but not typically the things that I do. But however, I have been wanting to make Christmas ornaments, and I, just like you, I attend YouTube University, and I've been watching a lot of videos about making ball ornaments and you know, just using wire and beads and all sorts of stuff. So in thinking about that, Beebeecrafts had exactly what I needed to do those. So I said yes, that I would be happy to pick out some products and use them and share them in videos. So here is what I got. I got a bag of Christmas charms. So also I was kind of also thinking about the future and the winery, and they have wine charms, so I can make wine glass charms for the winery. Okay, so we have a snowman on ice skates, it looks like. That's very cute. I will zoom in on these once I get them all laid out. Stocking. It's another stocking. There is what we'll call a reindeer. Kind of looks like an elk, but we'll call it a reindeer. Santa head. Really pretty snowflake. Oh, Lucy, don't get started. I can't remember how many there was supposed to be, how many different designs. That's 6. That may be how many. Oh, here's a bell. Some bells. Those are pretty. Oh, here's another different snowman. That's the same Santa, same Santa. What's... Oh, this looks like a Halloween charm that got in there, because that is a witch's hat. So we'll set that aside. Oh, here's another different snowman. I mean, not snowman, excuse me, Santa Claus. Oh, here's a tree. There's so many different ones. Oh, here's another different kind of reindeer. We're going to call it a reindeer. More different trees. And this says something on the bottom. Merry Christmas. Let's see, we got that snowman, got that reindeer. Got that reindeer. Another different kind of Santa. Stocking, all filled. Got that, got that. Are these the same bell? No, more different bells. Oh, I love how many different designs there are. They're so great. Oh, look at that big reindeer head. That's the same. Oh, that's a different snowflake. Got that. Oh, another different tree. Got that, got that. Got that. Got that. Alright, I think that's it. So, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 different ones. And let's see, how many was in this bag? 1, 2, 3, or 8, let's see, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So there's probably supposed to be 50 in there. And so that's awesome. Okay, so next we'll look at these. And I need some scissors. Once I get some of everything out, then I'll zoom in. Okay. So this comes in a nice plastic case, and they are bagged on the inside. I just thought these were really pretty and would make really gorgeous ornaments. So these beads are all really pretty. That's another different one. Different one. They got these long ones. So pretty. That one. These are all really, really pretty. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's around 30 or 35 or so in this bag. Okay, sorry about that. First the dog barks and the phone rings, of course, you know. I'm sure somebody will come and knock on the door, and that'll be the trifecta. Okay, so I did get some of these little acrylic beads to just give some more color to some different projects. And I just thought those were really pretty, and I thought the faceted of them would catch light really well. Okay, so then I got these, and these, and these, and these are Tibetan style. So, you know, if you go to beebeecrafts.com and you want to find these, if you search for Tibetan, you will see this style. So this little container has 6 different beads in there, and I'll go ahead and set out one of each of these beads. Some of these are individually bagged, so they do package things really well. I'm going to go ahead and take those out of the bag. I can't wait to get started on these ornaments. So excited. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now let me zoom in. Okay, I had to take it off the tripod to be able to zoom in, but now you can see. So pretty. Oops. So pretty. Well, that is my goodies from Beebeecrafts. I will have the links to Beebeecrafts down below, and stay tuned for some fun ornaments featuring all these goodies. Thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon.